We are back. Really, hello. Okay. Oh, Michael Trader. Hello there, Rob the Scalper. We're here. The celebrity. Hello, Rob the Scalper. Good to see you, man. Green, what's up? Let's see where this market wants to go, right? Let's see where it wants to go. I'm kind of curious. Look at gold. I was so wanted to see this go higher, and now I'm a little bit confused. It should be getting through the 4K. I want to take a trade on gold, to be honest. I really want to. I want to take a trade on gold. How many eggs did the world's largest chicken could produce? I don't know. The man himself. I don't know. That's a great question. Brian Shawford, strongest man, knows the answer. I love the question. I wish I would know the answer. Okay, so I'm still looking at gold. Let's switch down to the 1 minute here. Kind of goes sideways. This one, it's not a too good looking demand zone here on NQ. I just want to see it go higher. Oh, the question was asked on M. Okay, so I'm assuming he knows the answer, right? No, I didn't. It's AI. It's completely AI. I just gave the AI some keywords and that's it. Hey, Trading Star, good to see you, man. All the music now that you hear on my channel, everything is AI written because of copyright things and everything. Everything is AI written. Oh my gosh, it's Bull Barbie. Hello. Hello, Barbie. It's good to see you again. Oh, I'm flattered. So, I'm not an AI. Maybe I am, maybe not. Barbie, how's it going today? Any trades so far? I'm still kind of trying to decide if I should jump into a gold trade or not. 3 longs? Happy? All right. I'm happy for you, you know. I'm also happy. If you're happy, I'm happy. That's all that matters. Nothing else matters. You have to be happy. I'm thinking to... Why do I have a... Okay. I thought I have a connection issue on Rhythmic, but no problem. I need you to be happy, Bull Barbie. I'm now Ken. Yeah. One of these days I'm gonna join you guys with Methodical Lamb. I mean, I'm just gonna be the third wheel on your segment if Magnus lets me in to troll you guys a little bit. Just a little bit. Strictly trading related topics, all right? Only when we talk about strictly trading related topics. I love Barbie time. I don't really care about myth too much, so. K-Bell says, yo, you guys missing the vibes. All right. I'm gonna tell Magnus to cut off the feed somehow by some technical glitch from Methodical Man. It's gonna be fine. You were long at the spike? Let's go, Michael. Actually, I jumped into a long position on gold just to see how far it goes. Where is it? I don't even have it on the... Okay. I gotta put this on here somewhere. Okay, just a second. All right, here it is. So it's a bit of a scalp thing. I want to see this go into that supply zone up there. That's it. Mark say, oh my gosh, Mark is no long gold. Oh no, that's not good for me. I might gonna close it manually if it goes against me. 50-50 at the moment. You got your new ramp 3. Oh wow, I can imagine. That's a machine, man. Congratulations. Oh my gosh, that's a tank. That's a, yeah, that's a tank. That's what I'm saying. That is a tank. Oh, am I gonna close this trade down? I don't understand. Why is it going against me? I have to open my super magical indicators just to see what's happening here. The supersonic magical indicators. It's a shame that it's still on MetaTrader 5. Not that I have a problem with MetaTrader, but it would be such a great thing to have it programmed on TradingView or somewhere. But the guy who is coding it, he said he currently he can't do it on TradingView because there's always some glitch. Okay, so nothing is happening based on the... I might close it down. Today I am up on the fundeds. Also, evaluations are good as well. I'm kind of trying to do something different here on the Funded Futures network accounts. I guess we shall see. Thank you, Michael. It fits my personality and the size of my balls. That's cool, man. Awesome. Well, all that matters is that, you know, that you like it. Nothing else matters. Oh, come on. NQ and gold is definitely just, you know, kind of fooling around here. Okay, if NQ makes that shift, maybe we can aim for that 900. Otherwise, not really. We'll see. Feels like it wants to go. It feels like it wants to go. Maybe not. Just having a hard time pushing it higher. Anyway, I was just kind of watching the chart here. Hey, thank you, the man himself. It's not just about humbleness. We gotta enjoy our time here. You know, gotta have a good time in trading. Trading, not just boring. It can be sometimes frustrating. So why not just have a good time with the community, everybody here? That's why we're here. Matt is waiting for a little deep. What? A little deeper. He's waiting for a pullback. Okay, that's reasonable. I think it can go lower, actually. Still kind of waiting for this gold trade to show us the way. But NQ seemingly wants to make the move. Still have time until lunch hour. So we have the zone up there. Who knows? Thank you, man himself. To 550. Okay. I think it's quite possible. 550. Why not? Let me check the indicators. Oh yeah, everything is super bullish so far. Yeah. Gold is still hovering here. Maybe it could be because of the timing, because the market's just waiting for the lunch hour. But anyway. Oh yeah, Vilika. I didn't have the time to finish with the video edit. I'm gonna do it after the stream. And as soon as the video is out, the giveaway form is going to be there, and we can have a giveaway on Friday, maybe. Yeah. Okay, yeah, NQ is falling off the cliff. That's kind of cool. I think it wants to go down, right? Or at least it should. Okay, gold is also moving lower. Maybe not. But NQ is holding this position quite nicely. All right. Let's see. Can it go over above the 735? This is what I'm wondering. Because that's kind of close. Let's wait for it. I don't think it can. I realized today that I'm electrowave Wi-Fi sensitive. Oh, I see. Drain your energy. It can happen. Wi-Fi's, you know, electromagnetism, all the stuff. So what is happening here? Is NQ trying to make a move here, or technically still in the same range? Yeah. Okay, gold is going down. NQ is just holding this position. It's not really doing anything until until we're not gonna see a displacement. It's just not worth to enter. I wonder if it's gonna go down or gonna stay here in this area. We still have time though. I think the macro is still on, right? If there's such a thing. But it's holding this area. 700 is definitely holding. Yeah, relative equal lows at 678. Yeah, exactly. That's what NQ does. I'm really having no idea. I thought that this is gonna make the move sooner. But it's not. Trading Star, done for the day. I think today, by the way, was a little bit tricky. Maybe not the most difficult day, but it was definitely tricky. I was so much sold on the idea that we're gonna go down to that demand zone, and we didn't. And instead, we're just accumulating here. I think the market is waiting for President Trump to speak. And until then, we're just going to stay in this consolidation. And as for gold... Okay, what's happening with gold? Where's my... Okay, there you go. Gold should be also popping higher. That's why I don't understand. Why is this sideways action? Is really everybody's just waiting for that? That's the big deal. Dominic, hello. Did it take that long open on paper? Yeah, so earlier in the on my funded TV, I was so convinced, especially here at 936 on this kind of like, man, this just has to tag this level. My TP was not too far. I was surprised actually on that move higher, but it is what it is. So, and the more it's going to consolidate here, the more I think it can continue higher. More consolidation, more continuation, and the more possibility that it's just going to break higher. I wasn't expecting these levels to be taken today. I guess I'm still not really expecting it, but... This one, by the way, so let me get this off the way here because it's irrelevant now. This here has just created a demand zone right there. Look at that. Perfect. On the 15-minute chart. So 15-minute demand zone. Yeah. Kind of expecting price to come down here, or at least try to break this level. That's 619 if it really wants to go. If there would be a fair value gap all the way down here, what's the distance? Hold on. It's like 75 points. It's possible. Oh yeah, drawn upside was 733. Yeah, one break even. That's good. 40 is good. Hey, Trading Star, $440. That's amazing. That's amazing, man. That's truly amazing. I love that you're making these daily payouts from Take Profit Trader. That is amazing, man. Okay, so here we go. We have this possible break. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna take a short on maybe for Sky. I don't know, not yet. To take this sell side at 617. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't be forcing it too much. I don't want to force myself into this trade. So it's good to, you know, read the narrative, come up with some possibilities, but otherwise, this is trash. And I was really expecting more from gold. I was. I think it's almost impossible to trade gold properly on the 1 minute chart. You got to switch to the 5, to the 15, you know, whatever. Blue 2 evals. Oh, I'm sorry about that, Dominic. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Just paper trading. Well, at least you can practice the entry model, you know. Look at gold. It's really hard to read. Gold is mad and NQ is kind of playing some dirty tricks. Short triggered. Careful there, Michael. That's the only way. She knows it. Dirty. Dirty NQ. It doesn't matter how I look at this 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever. There's no displacement, just sideways movement. I don't like what I see. So I just don't want to force myself into this. That's it. I'm kind of switching back and forth between gold and NQ. And I know that the more I do this, there's the more possibility I'm just going to jump into the trade. I'm going to do something stupid. I'm not gonna. I can't trade tomorrow on Friday as well. TPT is a little bit late. Yeah. I think they're working on something. As I think so too. Trading Star. I think they are upgrading some stuff. To be honest, they may be upgrading their staff or support. But they are working. All right, what's happening? Is this going lower? Yes, I'm drinking coffee, but to be honest with you, it's such a... So it's not a strong coffee. It's this instant, you know, 3-in-1 coffee, which is like basically nothing. So I can sleep with this anytime, actually. Disciplined Trader, hello. Alicia, what's up? Good to see you, man. Yeah, so yeah, why not Trading Start? That's what I would do. Request 730, focus on other things, you know, and come back next week fresh. That's what I would do, by the way. You know, leave the account alone. Tomorrow is Thursday anyway, and nothing good comes out of Fridays anyway. So leave it and focus on next week. No giveaways yet, Gabor. I'm sorry. I have to finish up with the editing, and I'm so behind. I'm so behind. I cannot imagine. And by the way, Apex is not responding. I mean, I sent them, maybe they got it wrong or something. They haven't replied to my email yet. Last time they did, but now I was just asking, hey, how many accounts? And I still don't have it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really upset. Very well, I would like to trade, by the way, better. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, TradingStar also shares market insights and trading. Let's see. Daily payouts. Yeah, so actually we don't know the details. So we don't know the details. All we know, as the CEO Matt has tweeted about this a few days ago, like they want to do daily payouts. We don't know how it's gonna happen. So what are gonna be the requirements for the daily payout? I'm guessing there's going to be some requirements to achieve the daily payout level at MyFundedFutures. But if they do it, I think they're going to be at the top for sure. Payouts in milliseconds, daily payouts, no safety buffer. I mean, so much freedom. What else can you? Or do you want from a prop firm, really? I was really tired in the morning. I didn't sleep too much. I slept like 3 or 4 hours, and I was really tired in the morning. Thanks for asking, Gabor. Yeah, it's a slow day, Bilika. Yeah. Good news is that I have a guy who is a programmer, a friend of mine actually. We're gonna be ready with some Discord stuff, which is not happening right now. I mean, you guys don't see it who are in the Discord, but there's gonna be some changes real soon, which means the free Discord is gonna be open, and we got a way to get rid of the bots. So that would be amazing, and I would love to do some Discord trading, streaming, you know, sharing info as a group, we together, maybe in the early New York session, or I don't know, where I have some great ideas. I really want to put more effort to that Discord. I think we need to do that. Alicia made 6K with 3 TP. Wow. 3K, 6K times 3. Jesus. What have you done? I was not yet, business lens, not yet. I'm sorry. It's on the way. I have to finish up with the video because I need an answer from Apex of how many accounts can we give away. And then I put on the video, and there's going to be the form to fill, and that's going to be the giveaway. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I apologize. It's not on to me. I mean, 20% it's on to me, but 80% I'm still waiting for the answer. Yeah, August. Yeah. I know. That's why there's going to be more live. That's going to be, don't worry, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. I know. What can I say? It's my fault. It's actually my fault. So it's It is what it is. So are we breaking higher or what? Is it going or what? Kind of pushing higher, right? Yeah. Look at that. Was this the sweep? Who knows? It's not about the streaming, by the way, Gabor. It's not about the streaming. Yeah, Dominic, just a moment. So it's not about yeah, everybody streams at the same time, so it's not about the streaming. I have some IRL stuff going on as well, so I have some things that I also need to take care of in personal life, family stuff, and some other quote-unquote business related stuff. You know, when I finish up in the London session, I have to head out sometimes and drive to some places, meet with some people. Gotta visit my mother. She lives in a different town. I have to take care of her because she has health issues, and something is always comes up, you know. And then I come back here in my time. I have to get back until 3 p.m. And obviously I'm here until, I don't know, 6 in my time, or maybe, I don't know, maybe later. And then when I finish here, I have to go out to the city, do, you know, I got to buy food, do some shopping, maybe and other stuff, you know, private things, you know, getting stacked up all the time. And, you know, you don't really see it, but actually time flies so fast. I'm not recognizing it, and it's already 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. in the evening. So 9-10 p.m. in the evening, and that's when I have time again to sit down to go over the charts, read the news, you know, do some reflection on the day, you know, trading wise, and see what's happening. I really need to keep the focus, and then it's already 11 or 12 p.m. in the evening. Everything's just adding up so fast. The day is going so fast, and I'm so terrible in video editing as well. So if I sit down to edit some videos, it takes me hours and hours, and I get so much fatigue from that. And then it's like midnight or 1 a.m. when I go to sleep, and then I don't know why I get up like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. in the morning, and I can't sleep again. So then I go down, I go for a run or take a walk. Anyway, the whole day is just a never-ending circulation. And in my time, I had to have some breakfast, you know, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning. I prepare for the stream, and then the whole circle just starts again and again and again. It's kind of crazy. It is what it is. Look at this NQ. It's kind of like a bullish breaker happening. Let's go, Jonathan. Good to see you, man. Yeah, I might gonna need some help. I have some ideas, but you know what? Yeah, Gabor. The thing is, I love doing this. To be honest with you guys, so I'm not. By any means, I am not complaining. Okay, I'm not complaining. I love this. I love this. I really do. I love being here on the stream, trading, talking with you guys, managing this business. It's really, it's not just a job for me. I love doing this. Anyway, this is a bullish breaker here. At least that's what it looks like. Well, it's not really, because there's no liquidity sweep here, but look at this move here. I mean, let's zoom in. Okay, so first of all, lower low, lower low, higher high, higher high. Okay, the only thing that's missing is the liquidity sweep, like a bigger liquidity sweep, which is not a big deal. But if we go with this, this would mean a potential long entry to go for, I don't know, 850 maybe. Can we go for that? 1.5 risk to reward ratio with 1 micro. Can we do that? I think we can. 1 micro. I think we can. So if I put a limit order at 710, that could work out actually, right? We'll see. Sabotage. Hey, Newsmac Boots. Hello. Good to see you, man. How you doing, man? How's everything? Okay. I haven't seen Newsmac Boots since a while. It's good to see you guys. Alicia, Newsmac Boots. Good to have you guys on the stream. Man. Still kind of tempted to see this one going higher. Okay. Oh man, I'm waiting for a pullback here, but it's not happening. It's gonna be a lot. Nice. 2 kids. Oh, the 2 kids, I can imagine, that keep you busy. Yeah. You see? That's what I'm saying. Like, IRL stuff, you know, takes the time away. So... I don't know. Dominic, it's kind of a interesting situation here. No, nice. I don't know if it's good or bad, but I hope it's good. Congratulations to Mom Dunny. I don't know. I don't know if it's good or bad. I don't want to go into politics. I don't want to offend anyone. I'm not taking sides. If it's good, it's good. I hope it's good. I thought they would drop this thing today after London highs, but yeah, man, this is kind of crazy. I have to go to the 1 hour and check for some levels. Feels like this whole thing. Let's go to a cleaner chart here. Look at the 4 hour. Feels like it just wants to go higher. It does feel like it. We drop and retest 622. The problem is that volume just dried up. And even though I think it's a good possibility to go long here on this pullback, so even now as a late entry, I have a feeling that this market can drop 100 points in 2 minutes. Just boom, all the way down, sweeping this liquidity here on this breaker. Like, there's definitely orders below 656, sorry. So 740 last week in gap. Yeah. Price is reacting to it. It looks like we're going all-time high. I think so too. But thanks for the level. Yeah, that 42 can be the thing. Nice reaction. No, you're not. You're not. No. Trading start. That's a good observation there. I was expecting gold to push through 4K. That was I was expecting, to be honest. Really? What did she say? If the daily today lower wick is right after the huge down close candles. Oh. Daily. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. Interesting. And 104. Oh my gosh, we have a flat candle up there. Oh my gosh, we have a flat candle. Flat candle at 104.50. Okay. That's actually good news for me because I have my zones here lined up. I kind of like it. There's a daily candle high at 104.50 on the mini. That's the closer one. But is it going to happen today? Is it going to happen today? A little bit tempted to see if it happens. Right. Jumped into a very, very small position. Let's see. 880. Can I? Oh my gosh, it's all the way up there. Okay. Just trying something out here. If we can reach for the 800s. With a very, very small position. As soon as I enter, it's just going down. Maybe I'm going to exit. With 1 micro. Yeah, I don't think so that we're going to go there today. I'm kind of curious if we can target those 800s. Nice round number. I'm expecting a pullback. No, I'm just closing it. Well, man, I don't know when I'm not in the best state to trade. I think it's gonna go higher. I think we can shoot for the 800 here, but I'm not taking it. I entered the trade, then I closed it, so that's a bad sign. That's a red flag. I should not be holding a trade here. Yeah, very, very bad. Albert, hello. Yeah, it is. It is. I think everybody's gonna wait for President Trump. He's gonna speak in like how much? 77 minutes. So no, I'm not doing anything. Yeah, guys, I would really like to stay, but I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm not gonna take a trade. I just decided that I'm calling it here. No more trades. I'm done. I'm in the green. I'm finished. If this one goes higher, let it be, and that's it. All right, so I'll be back tomorrow for London and New York too. I try to do something different, so I will stream more in New York session. Now I have to start at MyFunded TV, but I'll do some extended New York sessions as well. I like to stay here for at least 2 hours. Maybe I'll do a small session early New York and then after, I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for the support. If you would like to support the channel, I would greatly appreciate if you guys would use the TOMSABO code up there at any of these prop firms. Funded Futures Network still has the buy one get one for free promo extended for November. And then the other prop firms too, the code is the same. Thank you so much, everybody. Excuse me. Thank you for the support. Have a good one. I'll be back for tomorrow London session. God bless you all. Cheers.